I took one vlog, but it didn't have the sound on, so I'm going to retake this vlog. This time I'm not going to show around my house story. I'm going to show nature! Yay! Okay, so you can't see me. But that's okay. So, this fall season all around. Fall! My birthday was not so long ago. Here's my swing. See, I'm swinging on it. I have a trampoline over there. Hopefully you saw that. Okay, so that's it. There's stuff over there. It's really shit. I have a bowl. I do have a doghouse. It is uninhabited. Doesn't have a dog in it. Yeah. So where my dog is buried. He's kind of buried around there. Let's go over the wall. Wall of Trump. No. I don't love that. People. And I'm just gonna get over this one. Give it a second. Hit. So, do you all see? Yes, you can. You didn't see me get over the wall. So, this is still my property. This leaf line here is my property. I'm trying to see. This leaf line still my fucking property. Yes, I am. I'm vlogging. Jeez, that's my sister over there. Don't mind any attention to her. She's totally boring. Stupid gay clothes. There we go. Yeah. Also, we have a giant tree. That's not important. Not a skateboard. That's not important. Well, I'm straight. That's not really, that's sort of important. But anyways, oh god, I almost dropped it. That was my vlog. I know it was crappy. I'm new to YouTube. Please don't be mean. I'm new to YouTube. Also, shout out. Yay. Yes, I know about shout outs. Congratulations me. Shout out to Oakley3 Dolphin. She's actually a friend of mine. Subscribe to her and like at least some of her videos, please. And please like this video. Oh, also, I sleep on the top bunk. I mentioned this last time. Yes, I have a bunk bed. Anybody who sleeps on the top bunk, make a like, and then, like, I don't really know how many people go sleep on the top bunk, and I'm not gonna really know, like, about comments, because I'm not gonna be able to read all of those. I don't get much free time. So just like, subscribe as well. It's kind of the whole point. And I'll see you guys